Getting started with Salesflare is easier than you might think, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make the most of it from day one. Salesflare is a powerful CRM designed to make your sales process smoother, smarter, and more efficient. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a growing sales team, this software has all the tools you need to track leads, manage client relationships, and automate tasks, so you can focus on what really matters, closing deals. First, let's talk about getting set up. When you sign up for Salesflare, you'll be asked to connect your email accounts, calendar, and social media profiles. Salesflare works by pulling in data from these sources, so it can automatically track your interactions with customers and prospects. This means that you don't need to manually input every detail. Salesflare does the heavy lifting for you. Once you've set up your integrations, you can start using Salesflare's smart pipeline management system. Your sales pipeline is the heart of Salesflare. It's where all your deals live, and it's incredibly easy to use. You can create custom stages that match your sales process, so you always know where each lead stands. The system updates automatically, showing you the most important tasks for the day, like following up with leads or closing deals. One of the best things about Salesflare is its ability to automate repetitive tasks. This includes follow-ups, meeting reminders, and even email outreach. Instead of manually sending individual emails, you can set up email sequences that are triggered based on certain actions. For example, you can send a thank you email right after a meeting or a reminder email after a few days of no response. This automation helps you save time, but also ensures you're staying top of mind with prospects without being overbearing. But it's not just about automation. Salesflare also makes it easy to analyze your performance. With its intuitive reporting features, you can track your team's performance, see where leads are dropping off in your sales funnel, and identify areas for improvement. The software even provides insights into the best times to contact your leads based on past behavior. All of this helps you make smarter, data-driven decisions that will grow your business. Now, I know it can be overwhelming to get started with a new tool, especially if you're new to CRM software. But one thing that makes Salesflare stand out is how user-friendly it is. The interface is clean and intuitive, so you won't waste time figuring out how things work. Plus, their support team is great, offering tutorials and helpful tips along the way. By now, you should see just how powerful and easy to use Salesflare is. But wait, before we finish, I've got something special for you. If you want to try Salesflare for free, you can do so by clicking the first link in the description below. And with our exclusive bonus, you'll get an extended free trial, so you can really explore everything this software has to offer. To sum up, getting started with Salesflare is all about setting up your integrations, customizing your sales pipeline, automating tasks, and using data to make better decisions. Whether you're managing a small team or scaling your business, Salesflare is a tool that can make a big difference. And remember, if you want to get started with Salesflare today, don't forget to check out that link below for your free trial. Thanks for watching.